Hello, this is Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another unboxing video. Today we have a Bokksu. Premium Japanese snacks. Let's get into it. Here is the culture guide. It tells you what types of snacks are in here and where they came from and what they are made of. And if they are vegan or not vegan. And it tells you what type of flavor it is, like sweet, savory. Here's a thank you card. And here are some of the snacks. They all look so good. Oh, this one looks so cute. Look how cute it looks. This one looks like it would be really good. So do these. I like these. I've had a couple of these. They were pretty good. But they were green tea. These look good. Cookies. And they usually do too, so you can have someone else try them with you if you want. That looks like all the snacks. Thank you, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.